This video is going to show you how you can remove someone from your followers list on Instagram. There are plenty of reasons you might want to do this. Maybe you want more privacy, you don't want certain people seeing your posts or stories, or you're just cleaning up your follower list. So I'll quickly open the Instagram app on my iPhone or my Android device and make sure you're logged into the correct Instagram account. I'll then navigate over to my profile, and then you'll have your following and followers list on Instagram at the top. You'll open the followers list, which will then show you a list of all of your Instagram followers. These are people who can see your stories, reels, your posts, and all that other stuff. But if you want to stop someone from following you or make them unfollow you without notifying them, then click on the little X icon that's located at the right side of your screen, and then remove. They will then essentially unfollow you from Instagram, but they won't get a notification, they won't know that they've unfollowed you, or that they are removed from your followers list. What will happen from now on is that your posts, reels, and stories will stop showing up in their Instagram feed. And if you have a private Instagram account, then they won't be able to view your posts and content which you share, even if they open your profile. But that's essentially how you can remove someone from your followers list on Instagram, and you have to do this manually, because Instagram doesn't give us a remove all followers button for now.